Hi friends, welcome to Mathematics Made Manageable blog on supportive material for class 12 Mathematics designed by M. Srinivasan, Training Associate Mathematics, KVS at Mumbai. A dedicated blog is created for supportive material on every chapter of class 12 Mathematics, where each chapter is given in an individual page of the blog. Anybody having the link can view the content of the particular chapter from the blog archive directly. Let us have a quick look on the content in each page, which is dedicated for every chapter. It starts with the syllabus as per the CBSE curriculum. A digital copy of the NCERT textbook in the PDF format is given for a quick reference. Now the content of the chapter as per the syllabus is prepared and presented in the form of a PDF format where the introduction, definitions and examples are given. Now the solutions to all exercise problems in the PPT format with animation on the solution step is prepared and presented in the form of a PowerPoint presentation for every exercise of this chapter. This PowerPoint presentation contains introduction, definition, examples and solutions to all the problem of the exercises with animation on solution steps. Now the above PPT with the solutions on the exercise problem is again prepared with narration, where each and every step is explained with narration, and the above PPT with the narration on exercise problem is converted into a video, and the video is uploaded in YouTube, and the link to the YouTube channel is given against each exercise. You can view it and you can download the video. Now MCQ on the chapter for practice is given in the form of a PDF format, and questions for practice is also given on this chapter. Also the practice questions from the preceding chapter also given for revision, and if lab activities by NCERT is available for this chapter, that is also given, and videos from Swayam Prabha channel by IIT Delhi professors and NEOR if available is given for further reference. How to go use the blog? You have to follow the link Max Made Manageable class 12 blogspot.com to open the blog. To open the page, the design for chapters, and follow the link to view the required content. Let us see the blog now. When you open Max Made Manageable class 12 blog.blogspot.com, immediately the latest chapter which is published will come here. And here we are now going to see the determinants. If you want to go to matrices, click it. If you want to go to inverse trigonometry function, you have to click. To chapter 1 relation, you have to click it. But now it has opened determinants. Now let us see what are the content in the determinant chapter. It starts with the definition, the syllabus, and the NCERT textbook is given. If you click it, the digital copy of the NCERT textbook opens. Now you can have a quick look on the content. Okay, again it followed by the content which contains definition, properties of determinants, and it is presented in the form of a PDF file. You can download it also, and this is for quick reference. And the solution to the NCERT textbook exercises. All the exercises, 6 exercises are given. The link is given against each exercise. When you open, for example, 4.3, the PPT on the solutions of 4.3 will open. You can download it. You can save it. These files are read-only files. After downloading, please click read-only to view the PPT. Now the solutions with narration to the NCERT textbook exercise is given here. These PPTs are having narrations on the solution steps. If you open 4.1, the introduction to determinant, this once again a PPT where the narrations are given in each and every step. Each and every step narrations are given. This PPT is also downloadable and you have to click read only to view it. Now, the videos on the NCERT textbook exercises on chapter 4 is uploaded in a YouTube channel. The links are given over here. When you click the link, the video of the particular chapter will open. You can view it and you can download it also. Now, the MCQ on this chapter 4 determinant is given in the form of a PDF file. This PDF file contains 10 questions of MCQ on this chapter determinants, followed by practice questions. This document contains practice items on this chapter determinant and also the chapter 1, 2, 3 and this 4 for quick reference and practice by the student. And finally, the material for further reference is the link to videos from Swayamprabha channel on determinants prepared by professors of IIT Delhi. When you open any link, the Swayamprabha free online education portal will open where the videos are given over there. Now you can give your comments at the bottom. When you open this determinant, for example, directly when you click this determinants, only determinants will open and you can go for this comment and you can post your comment to improve this portal. Thank you friends. Happy learning.